get in the water in this suit.
Yeah, I want to see that.
And then after that, I'm done.
You're done.
Yeah.
Well, do you think you could just maybe paddle around in a circle on your way back? No? Are you, besides taking a shit, too cold, or?
Well, my hands hurt.
Your hands hurt.
Yeah, I got throw half of shit. Okay. I really wish there wasn't a bunch of pressure on the inside right now.
It's a tight suit around the middle for sure. Alright, so go to the bathroom.
What's up? I got pooping.
Well, go pooping.
Yeah. I'll be back.
How's the boat doing?
It's good. It's taken a second to get used to it because it's very different with the wiggly business. Like my other boat did that, but there was an element of
Okay, first
stability
you
in
learn
it.
how to do this,
Huh?
and then you do this,
Yeah, I know.
and then combine the two of them.
Yeah, I know. I got that. That's not a problem, but it's just different. I'm just having to.
You have to be more active.
I really want a Greenland paddle. Like it's a lot more work with this thing than it should be. Like I want to be streamlined and go for long periods of time and not be fatigued. So once I give Christopher's Christmas present, I'm stealing it from him because I want to play with it. I want to play with it because if I'm going to make that kind of financial decision, I want to make sure it's exactly what I want. So, but yeah, this boat is. It's
So-
lovely, and it fits me like a fucking glove. Like it is. This
Is he not enjoying himself?
No, his hands are cold, and he has to go to the bathroom. And between those two things, he's not wanting to stay out here for all that long.
Oh, that's fine. Well, this is just a test run anyway.
I know, but I was telling him I just kind of wanted to spend a little more time, you know, playing with it. I haven't been underwater in this thing yet. Like this is my first time on the water with it, so. And it's a lot of trouble to get all this gear on and get this shit out in the water. So I mean, I don't want to do all this and then spend 10 minutes sitting in a boat. So anyway, let's see how these things race.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'll try to keep up.
Shut up. Alright, there we go.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. That's pretty nice. I think I kept about a foot in front of you.
I'm gonna see if I can.
The extent of my boat.
I'm gonna try something here.
What's that?
Turn this aside.
Yeah.
And see if I can get a side view of you paddling beside me.
Oh, all right. I like that.
So let me back up a bit.
Yeah.
And here you go.
Yeah, you'll have to post this one because my friend Susan is like, I want to see some fucking pictures. Okay, here we go.
Hold up, T. Hey, T.
Yeah,
So,
look at what's up next to
you want to get some pictures of yourself or over here?
Yes, I really
So, you want to try again?
Yeah, let's try my hands are so hot right now, it's not even funny.
Really?
Yeah. Like there's no, I love that I can still use the grip of my regular hand, but my hands are warm as fuck in this thing. Holy shit.
So, pokies are the way to go.
Huh?
So, pokies are the way to go.
Yeah. Like seriously. These are fantastic. Like no wind can get in there. You get enough, a little bit of air every once in a while, just to cool your hands down so that you can handle what you're doing. So, that's fucking awesome. I love that shit. That was the best purchase I made there. Jalapeno.
I don't see the giant red back there.
It's on the shore. We see it. He's gone to take a crap, so.
Well, I know that the boat is on the shore.
Yeah, he's at
Actually, I
the
couldn't see
outhouse.
the
Yeah, well, he may be in there, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Wondering if I might need to change these out. I've got a couple on mine that are a little, yeah, I just did that. I just put it on that.
Yeah.
Because it's too big of a pain in the ass to pull that fucking skirt off every single time you need something.
Skirt's actually pretty easy to get on.
Man,
Lock the back, lock the front, no problem.
yeah, I know, but it was, the back was hard to get on the first one. But I got some hot teases. It's a log. That's really delicious. My new favorite tea now is passion fruit.
Well, that's something else. Try to pop this thing off.
Yeah.
You don't pull this. You go out and
Yeah.
back.
Because it has to unleash
And then
itself.
you gotta go.
No. Solid. Now my hand's cold. Going right into this tree here in about 5 seconds.
My body's nice and toasty. My hands go nibbly.
Man, if I keep my shit inside here, it's fine. Like my entire body, including my head right now, is totally fine. I got zero issues right now. Even with this hat on. Zero issues.
Get this thing flash on. Sheldon, no, what'd you think?
It's awesome sauces. Yeah, it doesn't track as well as I'd like. However, it definitely fits like a glove, and the seat in here is awesome.
So the tracking is
The tracking is not, yeah, staying on course, and it's not tracking as well as I'd like. It tends to veer. We're in a little wind now, so that's probably the culprit.
most likely.
Most
we
likely.
are giant sails sitting in these things.
Absolutely. But then again, in yours, that line down your center helps you track a lot quicker than mine does. Mine is just, it's a little smoother on the bottom, so it tends to just want to... Yeah, exactly. Just kind of, it's like, you know, you're on the road in a car and you're just kind of in the other lane.
Now, what you've got here are pogies.
These are pogies. These are to put your hands in. They're 5 mil and neoprene, and they don't let any wind in or any air in whatsoever. And so without gloves on, I have these things on, and my hands are actually hot.
Yeah, see, now I've been paddling around, I've got actual like 5
You have-
neoprene gloves on,
Yeah.
and the tips of my fingers are cold.
Are they? Man, no. This thing, there's no cold at all in these things. You're gonna have to try them out one of these days. Yeah, because I thought I would need to have, because I have a 3 mil set of gloves,
Yeah.
but they were too cold. Like
Yeah.
when we were on the ocean,
We got
they're too
the
cold.
fingers are exposed, the
Yeah.
fingers are together, they're nice.
Right. And with this, because it doesn't let any of the air in and it's keeping all of the water out, then your hands can just use their own heat. And with as much movement as you're using when you're paddling, then it's good. Sailing right into the show.
Oh, yeah. Well,
All right, I'm not leaving yet. I love you, but I'm leaving you.
oh, no. Hello.
Yeah, up here. Because you're not supposed to have your legs straight, they're supposed to be,
We're supposed to be in a diamond pattern.
yeah. It's nice padding right
With
here.
your feet locked into the pegs and your knees shifted. With me, I had this seat that pivots my thighs up, so it slants my knees to the top, and if my feet were on the pegs, I'd be in perfect form.
You got a seat
Because I have a seat.
that raises and lowers.
You have a seat that raises. Well, it's supposed to be you then. I have a 2 adjustable seat. I love you. Isn't that great how mother and son treat each other?
You kids.
So what do you think, kiddo? Pretty cool. It's a different kind of feeling than huh? Yeah, this one is compared to the one I have. Massively.
I mean, the only difference is it goes left and right a little bit more. That's the
Well, it's a little more less stable, I guess.
I don't know about that.
I don't know. This is more the stability depends on where my body is going. The other one, I could move my body and you can totally stay.
Oh, I just like dipping the side of my kayak in the water.
Yeah. It's called edging.
No, that's not what that is. Don't use that in social circumstances, no.
No, man.
No.
That is, in fact, the terminology used by kayakers. It was being used long before y'all got it.
Stop coming in my direction.
be me if I saw me.